from tajmotormedics. I've got a Vauxhall Insignia here, also known as Opel Insignia, on a 2017-2018 plate. Just doing a main dip bulb, which is a left bulb. In the thumbnail you can see the left light's out, the left dip bulb's out. So I'm going to show you how to replace it. Now this one here is quite a simple procedure. So what we're doing is we're doing this one on the passenger side front. If you switch the ignition on, please. As you can see, that there is working, but this one here on this side isn't working, so we're going to replace this. Doing that, it's going to be from here. Switch it off. So the bulb you need is a H7 bulb. I've already got the bulb in hand. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove this cap. So if I twist it, it says it open and close. So left is open. Take it out. Now just remember the seal around here as well, so make sure the seal is intact. So in this case it is, so we leave that as it is. Now the bulb we're doing is just right there on the inside. So get the focus right, perfect. So just remember how you take the bulb out, that's how you put it back in. So if I squeeze my hand in there and then push the bulb from the top or from the bottom or from the right or from the left. So it's not doing it either way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wiggle, take it out, but the bulb is still in place. So it's on the top clip here. That's where the little pin locator is stuck. So I'm going to plug it back in. And then I'll do it from the bottom, pull it up towards me. There we go. Nope, it's not out yet. It's half out. So it's out from the bottom clips, but it's still stuck on the top one. So I'll plug it back in again. So get a better angle. There we go. Got the whole thing out. So basically this is the bulb we're replacing. I've got the new one already. Just remember how the pin locator was. So basically this bit here was on the top, so which was stuck right in there. So it was stuck in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug this in here. So once I plug the bulb in, I then slide my hand through, then line the bulb up. It's quite an awkward one, so you can't see it because of the hand. So I'm just going to see, make sure it's lined up. Yep, it's lined up. So all I then do is wiggle, push it in. That's all in. That's all it is. Just remember the bulb is sitting in flush, so as you can see right there. So that's the locator there which stops the bulb coming out. There's one on that side there, there's one on the top here. Now I know I could have used a screwdriver, but what I did was, the reason I didn't want to use a screwdriver because I don't want to blow anything up just in case I touch something wrong. So you can put a screwdriver on the top in that gap there, lift it up a little bit, or like a bent pick. So lift it up a little bit, push the bulb down. That should come out of here, and then you can pull the whole thing out, which is nice and easy. If you did want the bulb, you can find that in the description. There'll be a link for it as well, where to get it from. And if you did find this video useful, don't forget to like and share it, and click the thanks button if you can. Right, let's check, see if the lights are working. So if you can switch the ignition on for me, please. Here we go. That there is working, as well as the other side. But if you see the image on the back as well on the wall, it's pretty lined up. So that one there is slightly lower on the right side. This one's pretty good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to check the headlight in with this bit here, so make sure it's all good. Now, if there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video, thank you, and goodbye.